Okay, so the next group of vertebrates, and that's the animal with bones, are the reptiles. Okay, so reptiles include things like turtles, tortoise, lizards, crocodiles, alligators, and snakes. Okay, so this here is one of our royal pythons. Her name is Elsa. And she is a type of snake, so therefore she is a reptile. So if you look at her, look at what she's covered in. Is she covered in fur or feathers like the other groups? What do you think she's covered in? Well, she is covered in scales. Now, have a look at them. Try and imagine, what do you think they feel like to touch? What do they feel like on your hands? What do you think, wet or dry? Well, reptiles, they have got dry scales, okay? So for Elsa, she lives on land. So these dry scales are like a waterproof coat, very watertight scales, so they don't let any water into her body. So that's one thing about the reptiles, that they have dry scales. Now, the other thing is the way they give birth. So most of them, they lay eggs, okay? And these are about kind of the size and texture of like a ping pong ball. So reptiles are covered in dry scales and they lay eggs. There's one last thing about the reptiles, and that is that they are cold-blooded. Okay, so that does not mean that their blood is cold, it just means they can't control their body temperature. So have a think about when you're too warm, what your body does, it tends to sweat. And again, think about what your body does when you're too cold, you should shiver. Now, Elsa, she cannot do that. She cannot shiver and she cannot sweat. So she has to use other things like the temperature of the sun to warm up, so she'll go sunbathe. Or if she is too hot, she will have to hide underneath a rock in the shade or burrow down into the soil to cool herself down. So that is the reptiles.